This is our factor pairs homework. Okay, so it says for each of these numbers, list as many pairs of factors as you can. So number 1, it gives us 36, and it gives us an example of 3 times 12. To make sure I get them all, I like starting at 1. So I'm going to do 1 times 36 is 36. And then I'm going to go through my numbers and think, does 2 work? Well, 36 is even, so we know that all even numbers have a factor of 2. So 2 times 18 is 36. 3 they gave us in our example. So 3 times 12 is 36. Then I need to try 4, and 4 does work. 4 times 9 is 36. If I try 5, it doesn't work because it doesn't end in 5 or 0. If I look at 6, 6 does work, and 6 times 6, and I found a duplicate or a repeating one, so then I know I have them all. Okay, number 2, my number is 30, so I'm going to start back at that 1. 1 times 30 is 30. 2 will work because 30 is even. 2 times 15. 3 works. I can see it's an extended fact with 3. 3 times 10. 4 does not work. Nothing times 4 gives me 30. But 5 works because it ends in 5 or 0, and it's 5 times 6. The next number to try is 6, and I've already have it, so I'm starting to repeat, so that means I've got them all. Number 3 with 40, we're going to go back and start at 1. 1 times 40 is 40. 40 is even, so 2 will work. 2 times 20. If I try 3, 3 does not work. 4 works though, it's that extended fact. 4 times 10. 5 works because it ends in 0. 5 times 8. If I try 6, it does not work because 2 and 3 have to work for 6 to work, and 3 didn't. 7 does not work. 8 I already have, so I'm starting to repeat, so I've got them all. Number 4 with 48. I have 1 times 48. 48 is even, so we have 2 times 24. 48 does work with 3. My trick with 3 is if I add these two numbers, so 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 is a multiple of 3, so 48 is a multiple of 3 too. So it's 3 times 16. The next one I try is 4, and 4 works, it's 4 times 12. 5 does not work. 6 will work because 2 and 3 both worked, and it's 6 times 8. 7 does not work, and 8 I've already got, so I've got them all. Number 5 is 60, so we're going to start with 1 times 60 is 60. 60 is even, so 2 times 30. 3 works. I see that extended fact, and I know 3 goes into 6 twice, so 3 goes into 60 20 times. Then next we need to try 4, and 4 does work. 4 times 15. Then we'll try 5, and 5 does work because it ends in 5 or 0. Okay. 5 times 12 is 60. Then next we try 6, and 6 works because it's an extended fact. 6 times 10. And then we try 7. 7 does not work. 8 also does not work. 9 does not work, and 10 we already have. So those are all the factors for 60. And the last one here is 72. So we'll start back at the beginning. 1 times 72. 2, because it's even, times 36. If I try 3, I'm going to add these two. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. So 72 is also, so 3 will work. 3 times 24. And then we need to try 4. And 4 does work, and its partner is 18. 5 does not work, because it doesn't end in 5 or 0. 6 will work because 2 and 3 work. And 6's partner is 12. 7 does not work, but 8 does. 8 times 9. And then 9 I already have repeating. And so that must be all of my factors for 72. Okay. Then the bottom I'll review. Which of these has the greatest product? Well, 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 6 is 54. 10 times 5 is 50. And 11 times 4 is 44. So A has the biggest product. And that's our factor review.